Let it out. Let it out. Dad, you're not going to put this on Facebook, are you? Yes, I am, Sprocket Baby. Okay, then, well, what about YouTube? Well, it's sort of redundant, but it's a good storage device, so I might put it on there. Dad, I am hiccuping. It's okay, Sprocket Baby.